Hello everyone, I'm Emily and welcome to today's video. If you have ever found it hard to keep track of your stock investments, don't worry, you are not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stock portfolio dashboard in Excel. It's a simple tool that will help you organize all your stock data in one place. Take a look at this dashboard. With this, you can see real-time stock price, track gains and losses, and even compare different stocks. It's a great way to understand how your portfolio is doing at a glance. I will also explain some easy Excel features, like the stock history function to get stock data and data validation to make everything user-friendly. Let's get started and build this dashboard step by step. Our primary goal is to efficiently track and analyze stock performance in one place. This tracker is designed to simplify your workflow, offering a clear view of your portfolio and helping you make better investment decisions. The key benefits of using this tracker is to monitor real-time stock price and portfolio value. With live data directly in Excel, you can stay updated on your investments' current performance. Another benefit is to visualize gains, loss, and historical trends. Charts and graphs make it easy to analyze which stocks are performing well and where improvements are needed. Moreover, it may inform investment decisions. By having all relevant data in one place, you can make smarter, data-driven decisions for your portfolio. Let's now discuss the key Excel features that power this portfolio tracker. The first one is Stock History function. This function pulls historical stock data directly into Excel. You can retrieve details like opening price, closing price, highs, lows, and trading volumes, saving time compared to manual data imports. The second one is Data Validation. With data validation, you can create drop-down lists for stock selection, ensuring accuracy and reducing data entry errors. Together, these features make the tracker not only efficient but also really user-friendly. Now let's start by creating a table that we can track all the stock that we're holding. So we select all the company name and Control T. Okay. And we get a table like this. Then we select all the company name and go to data, select stock. And we will see a symbol in front of the company name like this. Make sure we select the correct one. We choose the right stock that we're holding. This is not the right one for me, so I have to change it. And this one too, I have to change it. And the others are correct now. Then we just click on this one and then select the industry. Select the industry because we want it to show on the table. And then we want the ticker symbol. And we also want the market cap. The current price is equal to company name, full stop, and price. Market value is equal to unit multiplied by current price. Today's change is equal to current price minus company name, full stop, previous close, and multiplied by units. Percentage change is equal to today's change divided by market value minus today's change. Gain or loss is equal to current price minus purchase price and multiplied by units. The gain or loss is unrealized because we haven't sold the shares yet. Next, I can insert the spark lines, which reflect the price over the last 12 months. I'm going to use transpose to flip the results of the stock history. Because stock history normally spills down a column, I want it to spill across the column. And I want the price for this stock here, initially the first one. For today, minus 365. That is so from a year ago through to today. Daily price, so I choose 0. With no headers, 0 again. That, 0. And close. Close my parentheses on stock history. And press enter. It will take a moment, and then it spills the results. So I need to repeat this formula for the rest of the stocks. But for the others, I don't need that for this backline either. But I wanted to see that just to make me feel that it was correctly returning a year's worth of data. We are going to transpose the stock history function referencing the stock that are from today minus 365. So a year ago through to today. And I want daily data, no headers. And this time I just want to close. I don't need that. Close parentheses. Takes a moment. Now we can copy that down. Here are the results. Now I'm ready to insert my spark lines. So with the cells selected, insert line. Click OK. This is the results. I just select all and Ctrl T to make it the same format. Okay, I'm ready to do my headline figures. The first figure I want is the total market value of my holding, and that simply a sum of the market value. Now you can see in the formula bar, I just sum of the value. For today change are the same. The percentage change is equal to today change divided by market value minus today change. It would be nice to have a visual indicator to show if the change is positive or negative. Let's apply that formatting down here as well. But now it's not correctly applied. So let's go in and modify the rule. And in here, I want where it's greater than 0, that's going to be a positive change. Where it's greater than or equal to 0, it's going to be neutral. It's obviously going to evaluate the positive first, so it's never going to do both. Click OK and OK. I want to add some format to this part, so go to conditional formatting, new rule, then click the second one. I want the cell value to be less than 0 and apply the red color. Click OK. This one, we do the same. I want it to be the red color if it's less than 0. So it will be easy to see if the value is positive or negative. Let's move to the next part, holding market value by industry. This chart is created to visualize portfolio allocation across industries. For example, if you hold different stocks in different industries, this chart can identify diversification and dependency on specific industries. So it is easy to know that which industry you're holding the most. You can use pie chart or donut chart to represent percentages of total market value. Okay, let's do it. Select the ticker symbol and the market value. Then go to Insert and Recommended Chart and select Pie Chart. I want to remove the title because I already put the heading for this chart. And I put the data label. And I want it to be percentage, not value. and I want the category name. Then I want it to be outside N and remove the legend. And we got the chart like this. Let's move to the next part, then allows breakdown. This chart is created to break down realized and unrealized gain or loss for each stock. The purpose is to evaluate the financial impact of individual investments. So you will be easy to identify that which stock is gain and which stock is lost. We can use bar chart or waterfall chart to highlight contributions to overall profit or loss. We start by select the ticker symbol and the gain or loss and go to insert and recommended chart and choose the bar chart. I will remove the chart title and add the data label. And I want it to be no border and no field. That's it. The next part is historical performance. This part is used to track the historical price trends of stocks over time. The purpose is to analyze past performance to spot trends and volatility, and we can use the line chart to show price movement. This part I will use the data validation to create a list of stock we have, so we can select the stock that we want to check with the time period, and it will show with the line chart. Let's start by select the cell that we want to create a list. Go to data and select data validation, choose the list, and the source, we select all the ticker symbol, then OK. Here we got the list of the stock we have. The time period, we go to data validation, and choose the list. The source, we want it to be 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Then OK. So we got the list of the month like this. Let's go to the new sheet to create the stock history. Ticker is equal to the stock list we create, and months is equal to the month list we create. Let's create the stock history. So equal to stock history, and then select stock. Start that I want it to be today minus the month period. So it will count how many months we want. And end that I want it to be today. So it will be up to that when we refresh the data. So here is the result. Now I'm ready to create a line chart. So select all and go to insert and recommended chart and select the line chart. And OK. Let's copy it to the dashboard. I will add a heading here equal to month, then add the words month trailing closing price. So when we change the time period, the heading also change. So this chart, I also remove the chart title and grid line. So now we got a line chart for historical performance. The last part of our dashboard is comparison with other companies. This part is created to benchmark portfolio stocks against competitors. The purpose is to understand relative performance and market standing. And we can use cluster bar chart for stock metrics. This part you can compare the stock that you're holding with the competitors, especially in the same industry. Anyway, the company that I choose to compare in this dashboard is just an example. So let's say that I choose Amazon company. We just tap Amazon and then go to data and click on stock and choose the correct one. Then go to the sheet that we create the stock history. The comparison company is equal to the stock company that we choose in the dashboard. Then the month is equal to the month. And the stock history is the same, so we just copy and paste. Here we go. We just select all of the comparison company and the stock we're holding. Then go to Insert and Recommended Chart and choose this one. We select this line and right-click and choose Format Data Series, and then choose the secondary axis. And then choose the other line and do the same, choose the secondary axis. That line we don't need, so just delete. Now we got the comparison line chart like this, so just copy to our dashboard. I will remove the chart title. Now we will see that the line colors is so close and close. It didn't show the company name that we chose yet, so I want to change it. So now click on the chart and right click, choose select data, choose the first one and edit, and the name we choose this one, then OK. And the second one, go to edit and choose this one, then OK. So now we will see the company that we choose to compare. Now I remove all the border line and grid line. I just change some format, but you can change depend on what you like. Here we done. Now let's test the dashboard. So we select the stock that we want to compare, and it will show like this. Okay, now we finish our dashboard. Thank you for your watching, and if you have any question, just comment below. And let me know the dashboard that you want me to create in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.